Hello everyone, Mr. Sudhanshu Kotak, batting coach of the Indian cricket team, is here to address the pre-match press conference.
The weather conditions made preparations difficult in Adelaide.
I think yesterday we were lucky. We didn't expect it to be dry for 2-3 hours, so we got a very good session out of yesterday. Today, obviously, it was an optional practice session, but it's okay. Not too bad today.
Your top order didn't do well in the opening match. Is that the key, that someone in that top three can fire?
I think it was more weather, to be very honest. The last game, I thought, obviously a couple of wickets we lost before that, but not really thinking too much about it. But last game result, I personally felt the weather, for anybody who's betting first, it was difficult.
Coach, of course, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma returning after 7 to 8 months. How have you seen their preparations for this ODI series, their intent, their hunger to play? And do you feel there was a bit of rustiness in the first ODI in regards to match time and game time and game factor, being in the game? Do you think there was a bit of rustiness in the first?
I don't think so. I mean, they played IPL, and then I don't think the preparation's been very good. Like I said, it's more I felt the weather first game, definitely, because I think it would have been same if Australia would have batted. When you don't know how many overs you are going to bat, and it's not easy to plan like 4 or 5 breaks we had, every 2 overs you are going in, coming out. It's difficult.
And in terms of the lack of partnership, I mean, of course, the rain did affect the planning of the team. But do you expect to see a bit of partnership from the top 4, especially after what happened in the first game?
You definitely need 2 or 3 partnerships in 50 overs game to get to 50 plus. So yes, definitely but that's the plan anyway.
Thank you.
कोच आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि अगर जैसे विराट और रोहित बहुत दिनों के बाद दे आर मेकिंग अ कमबैक इनटू द टीम और सिंस दे जस्ट प्ले ओनली वन फॉर्मेट तो और ओडीआईज आपको पता है कि ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं आजकल तो मतलब स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स इन द सेंस कि इन ग्रुप्स में रहने के लिए क्या ज़रूरी होता है ऑब्वियसली डोमेस्टिक ओडीआईज एंड ऑल दैट बट जब आप इतने गैप के बाद खेलते हो तो वापस आने के बाद क्या स्पेसिफिक ड्रिल्स या स्पेसिफिक टाइम जरूरी होता है प्रैक्टिस में तो आप थोड़ा सा इसको अगर समझाएं।
आई थिंक वो दोनों बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस है ऑब्वियसली अभी तो दे प्लेइंग आईपीएल एंड दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली प्लेइंग और बिफोर कमिंग टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी उनका प्रिपरेशंस दे हैड अ टाइम एंड दे डन इट सो I think it's too early to even think that because they just retired from Test cricket and still playing IPL.
कोच इसी सवाल का एक एक्सटेंशन है कि क्या ये जो 7 महीने थे इस दौरान भी आप दोनों से बातचीत में रहे क्योंकि जैसे हम जानते हैं कि स्ट्रेंथ एंड कंडीशनिंग कोच जो होते हैं या अदर कोचेस जो होते हैं जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड प्लेयर्स होते हैं उनका पूरा डेटा उनके पास होता है तो क्या आप भी क्योंकि इस पूरे सेटअप का बहुत अहम हिस्सा है तो क्या आपके पास भी उनसे रिलेटेड जानकारियां थी कि विराट कब प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं रोहित क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं आपकी तरफ से कुछ था इनपुट कि आप ये करेंगे ऐसा करेंगे तो आप बेहतर होकर वी ऑल नो कि स्किल सेट तो है सारी बात है इतने सालों से खेल रहे हैं बट आप लोगों की तरफ से भी एक कॉन्वर्सेशंस लगातार हो रही थी इन 7 महीनों के बीच में
सी वी आर वेरी मच अवेयर कि वो क्या प्रिपरेशंस कर रहे हैं उनका फिटनेस स्टेटस क्या है वो नेशनल क्रिकेट एकेडमी भी कभी जाते हैं व्हाट दे आर डूइंग देयर उनके वीडियोस वो सब ऑब्वियसली आई वुड हैव बट नॉट ऑलवेज टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट you'll have to find the time when to intervene. I'm a big believer on that. With such a senior players, you don't want to intervene if it's not required. If they are doing things right, and if you are still trying to get involved, may not be the right thing to do always. But yes, we'll more or less have all the things what they've been doing when they've been to NCA regarding their fitness, regarding their practice, regarding all the videos of them practicing, yes.
कोच यशस्वी जायसवाल जैसे टैलेंट को आप क्या बोलते हो जब उनको गेम टाइम नहीं मिलता? ऑफ कोर्स टेस्ट में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया है, बट T20s एंड ODIs में स्क्वाड में रह रहे हैं बट ब्रेक इन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं प्लेइंग 11. सो हाउ आर यू कीपिंग हिम मोटिवेटेड to have that patient to be part of the 11 in the future?
I think he's in the squad, he practice and they are pretty much aware that their turn will come and they prepare well. End of the day only 11 can play, so you have to wait for your turn and then perform.
एंड बॉलिंग भी जो स्टार्ट की है अभी हाल फिलहाल में नेट्स में काफी कर रहे हैं, मैच में भी हमने देखा टेस्ट में 1 ओवर डाला उन्होंने. ये भी क्या कॉन्शियस डिसीजन है टू कंट्रीब्यूट मोर एंड पुश हिज केस मोर कि चलो बॉलिंग भी कर दूंगा मैं?
नहीं, जयसवाल ऑलवेज लेग स्पिन डालता है. आई थिंक एज एन इंडिविजुअल प्लेयर it is, if it comes from within that he actually wants to bowl, which he feels he wants to bowl more and more. And I've been watching him for last 5-6 years, so he always bowls, but he looks more consistent now. So obviously he's working more on his bowling. So that's a positive sign anyway.
Mitch Marsh obviously in very good form on Sunday and has been in recent games. Is he the key to the Australian top order?
I think he batted really well the last game also, and obviously he's been doing well. So he's leading from the front, but yes, that inning was very good last game.
Just on not having Hardik Pandya part of the side, he brings you the third seamer role, and obviously he's got the experience as well. So you have Nitish Kumar Reddy. So how much of a loss is he for the kind of makeup of the team?
Someone like Hardik always is a big loss anyway, but because of his injury, if we look at the positive side that Nitish is getting some game time and we're trying to groom, every team needs an all-rounder, so we're trying to groom him also. So it's a good preparation in that way. But yes, any team would miss player like Hardik.
So just on Nitish Kumar Reddy, I mean, he started really well in Test cricket. Guys are. So how is his development like across formats, like with the ball and also with bat?
See, I feel for someone like him or any youngsters, they actually practice a lot. They try a lot of things in practice, but they all need a game time. Because executing those skills in a match against strong opposition, or like he said, someone like Mars or some, a lot of things they learn from playing only. That's why I said that in a way, if we look in hindsight, it's a positive that he's getting a match time at this level. Obviously, playing first-class cricket and bowling there, and playing in series like this is a huge difference.
Watching in practice, you're talking about, what about Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma? Can we see a big innings for them as a bit of a swan song? I know Virat plays Adelaide Oval so well.
I think they both looks in very good touch to me. They really batted well yesterday. Every nets, they approach. So I feel they're really batting well, to be very honest.
कुछ ये जानना चाह रहे थे कि अगर एक जैसे बैटिंग ऑलराउंडर नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी और अगर एक मेन बॉलर पे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट दिखाया जाए तो क्या हम कुलदीप यादव को खिला सकते हैं? क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि वो हर फॉर्मेट में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, बट हर फॉर्मेट में अभी भी ये है कि आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, हमेशा एक प्रेडिक्शन रहती है कि खेलेंगे कि नहीं खेलेंगे. अगर थोड़ा सा ट्रस्ट दिखाया जाए इन दोनों डिपार्टमेंट्स पे, आपको ऐसा लगता है?
विकेट देख के अगर आप टीम का बैलेंस देखो कि आपको 8 नंबर पे बैट्समैन लगेगा या ऑलराउंडर लगेगा, उसके ऊपर ही टीम डिसाइड होगा. तो ये विकेट सिचुएशन देख के, टीम का बैलेंस देख के ही आई एम head coach and captain, obviously everyone discuss, and basically it is more on the balance of the team rather than an individual.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.